Hello, everybody. Good afternoon, good morning, good evening, depending on where you're joining this stream from. You guys already know the name is Adetola Freeman Ogunhole, and this is the live CPI trading, right? Coming to you from the tables of FBS, right? FBS. It's an amazing one. Last week Friday we had the live trading for NFP um news release, all right, and it was a beautiful one. We had amazing comments. If you missed that, all right, and you'd like to catch up on it, you can easily just go through the channel or see videos in the channel from past live sessions. Today, like always, we're going to be trading the news using the Stradle trading strategy. All right, if this is your first time on a call like this, you might want to get familiar with what that means. Right? You might want to get familiar with what that means. So, what exactly is straddle trading? All right, or what is the straddle trading strategy? Simple. Straddle trading strategy is an approach, all right, that searches for breakouts, all right, high momentum breakouts towards the news release, all right, because we understand that when there's a high volatility news release, all right, it's expected to yield some good momentum. So what we simply do when we trade straddle is that we position for that momentum, all right, after the break of a particular range. And the way we do that is by placing buy stop and sell stops, all right, at opposite sides of a range, all right, or at opposite sides of a range in market. And that's typically what we'll be doing. Okay. Fantastic T. The live stream wasn't working because we were not live yet. Know that it's live right now if you're here. Okay, so we're going to be starting, or basically we do 4 commodities when we trade the news like this, right? We trade Euro USD, GBP USD, AUD USD, and then gold. Okay, good. First thing we want to do is we want to be able to identify our trading range. Okay, before we go there, let me quickly address a question from Chinedu Udenze. Chinedu, uh, your question is really a question that a lot of people have had at one point or the other in their trading journey, which is why exactly do false breakouts occur? The answer to that is simply the fact that liquidity is what moves the market. All right, the market moves based on liquidity. And if the market moves based on liquidity, all right, it means that you want to ensure that if the market moves based on liquidity, it means that you want to ensure that you as a person, you allow liquidity to be taken before you take a trade. Right? You need to be able to spot liquidity being swept, all right, before you take a trade, which would help you, all right, to get into the market at a much safer point of entry. Okay. So liquidity grab, liquidity sweep, liquidity inducement is the reason why such a thing happens in the forex market, right? And it's forex, not forest, right? FOREX. Godson, actually, from my analysis, I think we're expecting a stronger dollar. All right, that's my own analysis, but let me show you what I'm seeing on the chart. So here we see this break of structure. Right, really nice, really clean. And then we see that there's a fair value gap right around here. Okay, now this fair value gap is what price has filled so far, but we still have a supply zone right at the top of that. All right, of that move, which is this. All right, so typically my expectation is that Euro USD is going to be bearish. All right, that's typically my expectation. So if price breaks below this low, all right, once price breaks below this low, kind of a perfectionist, I want to ensure the answer. So if price breaks below this low, all right, we are just going to position and accept that this is going to be bearish. Mr. Javed, please do not spam the comment section, okay? We're all here to figure out the markets together, all right? I would appreciate if you do not spam my comment section, okay? Thank you. So that's my expectation. Dollar is getting stronger. Euro USD, GBP USD, bearish. All right. But because this session, we are not basing our market reaction, all right, because we're not basing it on, you know, technical analysis per se, all right, we're going to be trading straddle, all right. Like I said at the very beginning, we are going to be trading straddle trading strategy, all right, which means that we're going to have pending orders at both sides of this market. All right, so they'll stop, buy stop. Yeah, let's work with that. So have our sell stop here, our buy stop here. Comrade AY, thank you for sharing your predictions with us. But nonetheless, we're still going to have to figure out whether that is going to be correct or whether that is correct or not. All right, we have our buy stop, our sell stop. Maybe we'll have TP1. Just maybe 1, 3. Right? GBP USD. Let's go to AUD USD. If you're selling USD JPY and we're talking about an expectation of dollar strength, it means that you are going to be on the wrong end of the chart when that happens. Ruben Kialu, you're welcome. You're welcome. You're welcome. I celebrate you, my brother. Here, Stali. It's been a while. It's good to have you back here. Okay, market dynamics. Trailing stop is a kind of stop loss that you're able to place on your PCs, all right? Not on phone. You cannot find it on phone. But it's a type of stop loss that follows the market movement, all right? It trails the market. So once price moves a certain number of pips in profit, all right, your stop loss also follows that. Do you get that now? Comrade AY, what does buy stop and sell stop mean? So I want you to picture that price is going higher, all right? It's typically the way it happens at the bus stop, all right? What do you do at the bus stop? You join the bus, all right, in the direction it is going. Okay, so at the bus stop, the bus is actually going in a particular direction, all right, and then you join in, you join that bus. So the same way, when we say a sell stop, it means that the market is selling, all right, and then we join at that particular point. Do you get it now? The market is selling and then we join at that particular point. And then if the market is buying, what we call a buy stop is that we enter a buy, all right, or we have a stop position that when price is buying, we can join that buy movement, all right, at the buy stop position. To be honest, James, I don't want to give you financial advice because I've said it a couple of times. I'm not supposed to give financial advice, all right? But to be honest, I wouldn't advise that you keep that trade going. Javed, Mr. Javed, I think so. I think so. All right, but you can also make inquiries through the live chat feature on the FBS website. Okay, you can also make inquiries there. Okay, so let's get back to the charts. AUDUSD, I want to quickly show you what I'm seeing. You deserve. Lifting a mind to you. You deserve. You deserve. Praises of the earth. Okay, I don't know if you guys can see that. Break of structure here, bearish break of structure here. We have another one right here. All right. And then after filling up this fair value gap, we're seeing price tap into the supply zone. Nonetheless, there's a trend line support here. So I'll need to see price break, right, in order to validate my sell stop. Sell stop, buy stop, TP1, 2, 3, 1. Particularly this now, price might be coming all the way to fill up this fair value gap. Do you get it? Comrade AY, the buy stop is a pending order. All right, it's not a market execution order. It is an order that you position, all right, and leave it. So as price is buying, when price gets to that point, your buy stop order gets activated in that direction. Do you get it? Preacher, please relax. I'm going to give you numbers. You know we definitely do that. Just relax. We'll get there. Tell me why that's not better. Okay, let's do gold. So on gold, you can see this was the fair value gap. All right, price filled that fair value gap. And here we have the supply zone. All right, there's a supply zone right there. Break of structure. Yeah. All right, which means that we should be looking for sales on gold. All right, albeit there's some consideration because I would like to see price break below this trend line. Olajide Jeremiah, please relax. All right, I definitely always share the figures. All right, so don't get so roused. Of course, Manrich, you definitely can. You definitely can. I'll stop. 2 TP. 3. Stop. Let's work with that. Euro USD for TP. 3. 2. Yep. That is 1.03237. Sell stop 1.02788. For those of you who attended who were present at the market review, Monday market review on the Telegram channel, you recall that the gold buy, EU, GU buys that are currently playing out, you recall that we had the analysis of all of that, all right, and we're able to pick an entry, including US 100, all right, if you guys remember. So if you're not on the Telegram channel, all right, and you're watching this right now, ensure that you click the link in the description to join the Telegram community. It is absolutely, absolutely important. You're definitely going to benefit a lot from joining that Telegram channel, okay? So that's sell stop. For GU, 1.21754. I stop 1.22501. Right, AUDUSD 0.61855. Buy stop 0.62206. Got the ticket for the long way. Lawal Musty, I'm sorry. What you're requesting is a market analysis, and I only do that during the Monday market review. All right, I only take analytic requests during the Monday market reviews. All right, not during news or live trading sessions. All right, and guys, don't forget the rules for trading the news are on the screen before you. All right, only fund amount you're willing to risk. All right, so if currently in your MT4, MT5, your balance is more than an amount you're willing to risk, okay? Move out any amount you're not willing to risk and ensure that you're only left with the amount you're willing to risk. All right. Secondly, slippage is real. Slippage occurs when the market volatility is moving faster than a trade takes to get activated. All right. You know that trades are orders. All right. They're orders that you position in the market. And when market is moving too fast, all right, it takes some time before your orders get activated. Okay. And when that happens, it is referred to as slippage. So don't get caught in slippage, all right? Be very, very wise. Remember, what we're doing is pure risk taking, all right? Forex is not a get-rich-quick scheme. Yeah, my ticket. 679.89. $693.55. All right, so slippage is real. Then the third rule that you must never forget when it comes to trading the news is to apply trailing stops. All right. You would be a lot safer, let me just put it that way. You'll be a lot safer with trailing stops, all right, than you would be using just a stop loss. All right, so use trailing stops because they're preferable. And the reason why they are preferable is because your trailing stops will actually move along with the market. All right, your trailing stops will actually follow the market movement, follow the movement of price. All right, so that's why you want to ensure that you're using trailing stops. All right, so we have 4 more minutes to the release of the CPI figures. All right, so we just have to wait to see what next. Sure, like some sweet, some leaving tomorrow. What? Okay, so now the wait begins. Okay, hold on. The 2 was repeated. Sorry, 2693.55. Thank you for that, Nitro Man. Well, Lawal Musti, you can just Google my name. Anywhere you Google the name, you would be able to find how to do that. Chinedu Denze, yes, it is possible to do that, but you have to do it from a laptop or a desktop computer. All right. If you're on phone, you would need to use the web trader. All right. If you're on phone, you need to use the web trader of MetaTrader. All right. There's web trader for MT5. All right, that you could connect to log into. I think you should be able to use trailing stops on that. All right, this is AUDUSD. All right, this is AUDUSD. Those are the figures for AUDUSD. These are the figures for EURUSD. All right, so now we wait. Adacha Emmanuel, I've said it several times on this call. I only take commodity requests on Mondays, all right, on the Telegram channel. So if you have a commodity you would like me to analyze or you want to make a request, I can only attend to that on Monday. All right, Mondays, you're able to unmute your mic, talk to me, ask your questions and all of that. Samuel Uko, what is the take profit? That's up to you. Sincerely up to you. Why will I be the one to tell you where to take profit? No, it cannot be. You take profit at your own preferred period. Though. I've given take profit 1, 2, 3. So I don't think there's any other thing that I can do to assist you again. 1 minute to the CPI, guys. 1 minute to CPI. Let's see. I like to move it, move it. I like to move it, move it. I like to move it. Okay. Buy stops triggered all through, and I think we've hit TP3 across all commodities. Just check, guys. Just check. Euro USD especially, I'm certain that Euro USD already hit all take profits. Gonna take it. The risk it for the way. Sure would like some sweet coffee. I'm leaving tomorrow. What do you say? What time is the Telegram live stream on Mondays? Usually it's 2 p.m. West African time on Mondays. All right, right about the time this particular session started. Are you making money or excuses? What are you making? If you're in profit, just let me know, or I just drop a comment. Let me know that you're making money. Guys, if you're making money, please do let me know. If your orders were triggered, please let me know, guys. I want to see and know how many of you guys are in profit. That's not correct. Sazu and that cannot be true. If you used the figures I gave, you definitely must be in profit already. Definitely, most assuredly. Where are the guys that are in profit? Where are the guys in profit? Show me the money. Now you see Euro USD, all TPs hit. All right, it's almost at TP3. On Euro USD, we're almost at TP3. AUD USD, this is TP2. Game on, beautiful. 1K profits, Abdul Malik, Abdul Jalil. Good, 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 good. So Medina, beautiful. You made money. GBP USD TP3 already. I think we're almost at TP3. Euro, GBP USD. Let's see. AUD USD is still TP2. Fred Omusuku, $1,600 profit. Beautiful. Euro USD TP3 already cleared. Y'all better pay your tithes, bro. The informative channel, $210. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. So, guys, this is how we do it every single time there's a high volatility or high impact news about to be released. All right, we help you to make money, from news releases. All right, and as always, I've always told you guys, anytime you search the name Adetola Freeman, you will be able to get access to make your inquiries and all of that. Okay. So I want to say thank you to you guys that have joined me on the call today. I believe we've made money. Yes, Tali, that's how we do it. That's how we do it. Trailing stop, I generally use 50 points and above. All right, for my trailing stop. Fred Omusuku, $800. Beautiful. Abdulakim, $680. Fantastic, fantastic, fantastic. I'm glad you guys made some money. So typically this is how we roll. This is how it's done. All right, I want to say, the bride, who are you to collect their tithe? Who are you? And you're even smiling. What's funny? What's making you laugh? You want to commit armed robbery, you are laughing. Eh? Don't do that again. All right, guys. So I want to say thank you to you guys for joining the stream today. All right, the name remains Adetola Freeman Ogunkunle, and it's been an absolute pleasure hosting you guys on yet another profitable live trading session. All right, I love you guys, and I am going to be looking forward to Monday's market review session with you guys all together. Till then, I want to say big thank you. God bless you. See you again on Monday. Goodbye.